Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Harmonium for beginners on mobile. First, select a high-quality Harmonium application from your App Store. Look for one with a realistic keyboard and authentic sound. Many excellent options are available for both Android and iOS devices. Ensure the app allows you to adjust octaves and includes a drone feature, which is crucial for practice. This initial step sets the foundation for your learning journey, providing a virtual instrument at your fingertips. Next, let's understand the basic controls within your chosen app. The virtual keyboard typically mirrors a real harmonium, with white keys for natural notes and black keys for sharps or flats. Focus on identifying the 7 fundamental notes, often labeled sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, and ni. Spend a few minutes simply pressing each key to familiarize yourself with its unique sound and location. This hands-on exploration builds your auditory recognition and muscle memory. Now, let's move on to playing your first simple melodies. Start with very short sequences, perhaps 3 or 4 notes long, to build confidence. Many apps include a metronome. Use it to develop a steady rhythm and timing. Try practicing a basic scale, such as C major, or a simple Indian raga pattern. Consistency is key here. Even 5 to 10 minutes of daily practice can make a significant difference in your progress. To further enhance your mobile harmonium practice, make use of the app's recording feature. Listening back to your playing helps identify areas for improvement. Many applications offer built-in tutorials, or you can find numerous free lessons online. Aim for consistent practice, even if it's just 15 minutes daily. Regular engagement with your virtual harmonium will steadily improve your finger dexterity and musical understanding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.